everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. As you saw from the title, today I'm going to be attempting to dye my hair because I thought, why not? It's coming into summer, I'm going on summer holiday and my hair needs toning and I thought, why not, let's colour it. So that's what we're doing. So I'm going to be keeping the blonde shade and maybe blending it into my brunette, because at some point I think in the winter I'm going to let my brunette grow out and kind of go back to brunette, because blonde is high maintenance and she's kind of dry. But anyway, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna dye my hair, follow the instructions and take you along with me. And if that sounds like a video for you, stay tuned. Before we get into this crazy hair dyeing experience, remember to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video and to subscribe to my channel to see more of me and makeup fun. But without further ado, let's jump on into the video. Okay, so I don't know if you realise I've got this like really old t-shirt that I don't care about. Therefore, if I get it dyed, it doesn't matter. So excuse, it doesn't look great. So the product that we are using today is the Garnier Good Permanent Hair Colour. It's long-lasting colour, no ammonia, vegan formula. And this is in the shade 91 Vanilla Blonde. Like I said, I'm just doing this because why not? But I've chosen this product because I have been influenced. I think the main video that was like, oh, I really want to try this out was Imogen Cribb. She dyed her hair with this and apparently it's going to be really good for you. I think. Is any hair dye good for you? Well, it says easy application. That's what we need. And I just want to make this, less yellow. So hopefully that will happen. And don't come for me if you're like, oh, you should just tone it. I know. But I wanted to do something else for the lols. Anyway, let's open it up. Also, remember to do your test patch 48 hours in advance to make sure you're not allergic. This is what we got, all these goodies. So, we have packet A, which is Developer Cream. Packet B, Colorant Cream. Ooh, this is might be why it's good. And then another packet, which is it Shea? I never know how to say that word. I should really look it up. I'm going to call it Shea. Yeah, Shea? No, it's Shea. Shea butter. It's for like nourishing your hair and making it all dry. Making it all dry, making it not dry and nourishing your hair. What's wrong with me? So we got that. What else we got? Instructions. I believe some gloves and a stick because we get to make it a little potion to do this. Ah, so fun. But okay, should we open up these instructions and hope it's super clear because I can't be able to read that much. So this is what it looks like. La, da, 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 da. But let me try read it and understand. Safety instructions. Who needs that? Just kidding, everyone needs that. Be responsible, guys. What? You can scan a QR code. Ooh, for easy guided application. I cannot be bothered to do that either. So, cover your shoulders with a towel and close it with a non-metal clip. I actually have a towel with me. But I also just don't care getting it on my t-shirts. Do I care about a towel? Yeah, let's look. It's a really short towel that does it go all the way down? I think it does. I told you this video is going to be chaotic. I'm chaotic. My hair goes slightly longer than that, but it will do. Non-metallic clip, where are you? Here you go, put that like that, clip you like that, and you're probably going to come undone, but I tried. Put on gloves and open the sachet with scissors, following the line 2 mark. Okay, open the gloves. Wait, I need to get scissors. A moment. Gloves, scissors. I'm gonna put the gloves on at the end because, like, the gloves just never fit. See? Oh, these aren't bad. I might get an elastic to put here so they stay on. I am gonna do that now while I remember. I'm just gonna use some hairbands. Has anyone done this before? Use a hairband to keep these loose-fitting gloves in place? Or have I just come up with a new hack? Both gloves on, secured with a hairband. So, what packet are we opening? Put on the gloves, cut open the sachets with the scissors. Oh, so we need both A and B. What? It says cut on the 2 line. 2. Why does it even have a 1? See, it has line 1 and 2. But it says open on 2. So, cutting on 2. Be careful, guys. Scissors are sharp and they're not toys. So, we are opening the Developer Cream and the colorant. And then next, we are pour A and B into the tub, which, yeah, ready? Okay. So I have A. Wait, it has some writing inside. What does it say? Right amount for full head of application. Oh, there's like a line inside for how much you need for a full head. I'm going to do it all. I have long hair and I'm not using my whole hair. I think my boyfriend would go crazy if he saw me do that because, like, I could spill it, but it's cool, right? Squeeze all of that out. So that is the developer. Next is the colorant cream, which feels a bit thicker, so I don't think I can. Oh my god, that's so thick. Can you see it? Okay, now I'm gonna actually put it down and make sure I squeeze every last bit out. Smells like hair dye. Apparently like box hair dye is really bad for you. So that's not really bad for you, but it's annoying for hairdressers to get out your hair. Next, with the spatula, mix into smooth and lumpy 3. Like, I should show you what it looks like without spilling it. Can you see it? So you've got 2 of the products in there. You've got to mix. One's really thick and one's like not thick at all. What is it? Viscous and not viscous. Yes, I did science at school. I may have flipped. Less vigorous mixing so it doesn't go everywhere. So I'm just going to mix away and I will be back once it's fully mixed because I feel like it's going to take a while because it's like lumpy at the moment. So it's all mixed up, but there's telling me to like start at the roots, and Brad Mondo says you never start at the roots. That could be different because this isn't bleach, this is hair dye. But I'm not even going to my roots, so I think I'm going to start in the middle because I definitely know I want that blonde, and then blend it down and then smudge it up because I want it blended. And I have a balayage on my hair, but it's like over a year old. So, okay, let's see. Let's pull down my cape and do one side at a time. And then you have to wait 30 minutes. By the way, this is the lovely mixture. And you're meant to take it, oh, you're meant to take hazelnut sized pieces. That is not hazelnut, that is a lot of hazelnut. I think I might stand up so you can see like the bottom. Does that kind of work? Okay, it's also easier for me. So I know you got a terrible angle, but I really don't care because this is more important to me. Sorry guys. So I am just putting it in my hair. Nice and slowly. And I have like a towel down right below me just in case anything goes wrong, because you've always got to be careful. So I'm just taking clumps and then slowly adding to it. This is meant to be easy application, so I don't need to be amazing. And I'm also brunette, and my blonde hair is quite a dark blonde, so I don't think it's going to come out that well either. So I think it's going to be fine. I've just realised you've got a really weird angle. I'm so sorry. I can't even adjust it properly because I have gloves on with a load of colour on. But like I said, focusing on the middle and the ends first because that's all I care about to get blonde / on orange, on yellow. If I read this and then it's like, oh, after you do this, apply a toner for the best results. No, thank you. I can't be bothered. Oh, my hair's actually really thin. I've got one side already and I am taking it up into the brunette a little bit, as you can see. And I should probably be more careful doing that bit. So I'm just going to do the other side here. And I don't know why, but I have it all in one clump. And then I will blend it into my brunette a bit nicer. Hope you're enjoying this crazy random video. Also, it's fun for me because I get to document the process of how bad it goes. Because I don't listen to instructions. So again, I'm just really rubbing it into the bottom of my hair. The blonde bits. I might take a bit at the front because I have like grown out many pieces. So with what I have left, which is quite a bit actually, I'm going to paint a bit up. I really hope this doesn't stick because it's so random. Like, it's not meant to work on brunette. Like, you can see it by the colour scale here. So it shouldn't really work on brunette because it hasn't got bleach in it, which is what I'm hoping for. Therefore, it'll be blended into my brunette quite nicely. Whereas if it did bleach my hair, I would not be doing it like this at all. So I am going to swoop it back because I have been just doing it forward. So then I can get the middle bit at the back of my hair. I mean, I did when I was younger, bleach the bottom of my hair and called it dip dye, but it wasn't. I just bleached it like I'm doing my hair now, wrapped it up, and that was not blended. And I thought I rocked that, and it wasn't too bad to be honest. So I doubt this is going to be any worse. But what's hilarious, if I'm videoing this and nothing happens to the hair, then there's no point in me posting this and you won't see this. But if it is up, something did slightly happen, so stay tuned. Also, what's funny is my boyfriend is playing games at the moment and he has no idea I'm doing this. So I wonder what his reaction's gonna be. I think I should just stop aimlessly combing through my hair because it's like tangling slowly and it's just wasting time when it needs to like set, progress. What is it called? Process. Oh, I have blonde at the back under like my hair. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna go blend it up there. And then I think I'm gonna stop. I love how you're getting all these gorgeous angles of me right now. Okay, so we need to wait 30 minutes and then we will be done. So I think I'm probably just gonna wash it out and then we can chat because there's no point me recording myself wash it out because you're not gonna hear me. That's boring, who cares? And this is, I want it to be kind of a short video. So thanks for sticking along for the process so far. I'll be a couple of seconds for you, but probably like an hour for myself. See you. I washed it out and my top is extremely wet. I like put my head over the bath and then like used the shower head thing. So let's reveal what it looks like wet, because why not? And then we can also see what it's like when it's dry. Oh my god, it looks the same. Does it look the same? I don't know. I think it's got, yes, yellowy, but let's give it a brush. Right, now it's brushed and it does look like slightly different. It looks like a darker blonde but with less yellow. So let me dry it and then I'll be back. So here is my hair mostly dry. I'm still in a really wet top because can't be bothered. So it's not what I expected, to be honest. It's made my original blonde, like my bottom bit that's blonde, darker. But I think it's really cute because it blends in more seamlessly with my brunette. And it does feel like low maintenance kind of blonde kind of vibes, and I like that. But I'm also not sure because am I going to miss the bright blonde? I guess this is in the stage between before I do go back to brunette. But what I'm going to do, because I'm all currently in a mess, got to clear everything up. I'm going to come back to you at some point, probably in like a day or two, with me like with my makeup, so you can see the full get up. So yeah, see you whenever. So I never recorded an outro to this video. I'm really sorry. It's also being posted really late. Like I recorded this video a couple of weeks ago now, but I still wanted to post it for you guys. I said I was going to show you what my hair looks like when it's like fully dry. Currently I've got a load of hair oil in my hair because I'm trying to grow my hair nice and pretty and take care of it, especially because I keep dyeing it. But I will put some pictures on screen now. So like I said, it's been about 2 weeks and I've also been on holiday. Look out for my Greece vlog, it's coming up next. And yeah, it looks cute. I don't mind it. I think the colour looks nice. It has evened out the tone of my hair. But what I will say, where I did take up the blonde into my brunette, it's kind of gone a bit, I think, a weird brunette golden colour, which you might like, but where I haven't blended it fully, I don't know if it's the best. But I mean, it will do for now. I quite like it, and at some point I'm going to dye my hair again and probably get it done professionally, so we'll see. But anyway, I just want to say thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. It means so much to me, especially with this one, because it's, I don't know, I don't think it's the best, but I wanted to post it anyway because it's just my personality. But yeah, and if you did enjoy the video, guys, remember to hit the huge thumbs up button and to subscribe to my channel. But that's it for now, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!